everyone, it's Friday again and time for this week's celebration assembly. Before we have a look at the annual certificates, I'd like to say a big thank you to each and every one of you in nursery reception, year 1 and year 2, for all the efforts that you're making with your learning, whether you're at home or whether you're at school. And of course you can't do that without the adults helping you, so I'd like to say a big thank you to all the parents, carers, teachers who are working with you to produce this great learning. So on we get. Let's see what's been going on this week. We've got some good news. Some children this week have even got 2 annual certificates. And don't forget to count. Let's see if we've met our target of 60 certificates this week. Once again this week, most of the annual certificates are for high quality learning, but also some children in school have earned certificates for really great focus, getting on with what they're doing, and also meeting targets that have been set for them. Starting with nursery and Bob Marley class, just one person this week, and that's well done to Yopi. So in reception, Rooney class, quite a few children again. Got Davi, Kasia, Sienna, Saban, Ronnie, and a few more. We've also got Justine, Musa, Caden. So well done, you 3. Next, Malala class. Let's see who we've got in Malala class. Well done, Nicole, Lesia, Matei, Nisa, Mudasir A and Mudasir T. And finally in reception from John Lennon class, well done to Nikki, Garanji, Rahama's got 2, Abeid Ahmed, Adam and Sandy. Emma, Davinsa, Aizan and Dylan. Let's have a look at Clay class, year 1. Quite a few children from Clay class this week, well done. Tiana's got 2. Sosha, Amaya, Fadi, Sophia and Teddy's got 2. Fantastic work from those children this week. Zayan, Melinda, Aroma, Kesha, Idris and Noel. Well done all of you. And on to Matisse class. Well done to Christina, Sion and Mira. Great work. And from Picasso class, Shreyas has got 2. Saja, Kaylin, Daniel and Shoria. Well done. And moving on to year 2. From Beckman class, Vienna, Afshi, Amy's got 2, Karu, brilliant. And Ennis class, Samina, Zakira, Adna, Aiton, Waleed, and Kamira's got a fantastic 2. Well done. And to the final class this week, Holmes class. Well done David, Joseph and Eric. That's it for this week. Did you count? That was 64. We met our target. Keep up that great work and let's try and make it 70 next week. See you next time. Have a great weekend.